Hello, how are you? My name is Brian Holtzman, and this is my YouTube channel coming to you from Key West, Florida. And we're having a little bit of rain, as you can see. This is what you call rain for you people watching from places where there gets no rain. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. This is Key West, Florida, about 100 miles north of the island of Cuba. And this is a downpour. It's 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30 p.m. approximately on November 1st. It's Sunday. It's always nice when the first day of the month falls on the first day of the week. And that's what's happening today. Today is November 1st, Sunday, 2020. And this is a view from my hotel room. I'm staying at the Casa Marina Hotel in Key West, Florida. I have a room overlooking the beach and the ocean. Might as well be in the Caribbean. I hope you can hear the rain. I can. So I left. Where did I leave from? I left Bruce Smirnoff's residence in Delray Beach this morning around 5, a little bit after 5 a.m. and I reached Key West at about 10 o'clock or thereafter, and I found a hotel. I went in the water. I had a beautiful lunch. I had an eggs Benedict over a lobster tail and hash browns, large unsweetened iced tea with a lemon. And I'm just kicking back. Always wanted to come to Key West. Everybody loves Key West. There's not anybody that doesn't love Key West. And so I wanted to come and see it for myself. I originally planned on making a video today featuring the sunset, but I don't know if that's going to be possible today with this recent rain that you're experiencing right now. But I like the rain. Back where I live in Redondo Beach, we never get rain. We just never get rain. I think that's why people in California sometimes get a little nutty. It's always sunny, but it's always dry. We do get rain, but it's not the kind of rain that you get here in Florida or back up in New York and the East Coast, or even in Texas for that matter, or most of the rest of the country. The Los Angeles Basin is a valley, and for some reason it just will not rain. It just will not rain. Even when it looks like it's threatening to rain, it will not rain. It refuses to rain. You got to go up to Big Bear and up in the high desert and out in Las Vegas. You got to go up north to San Luis Obispo and parts further north, up in the Bay Area, you get some rain. But the Los Angeles Basin will just not rain. It just won't rain. And that's why they have such problems with the wildfires. Everything is just dry as a bone. Dry as a bone. Dry as a bone. So, yes. Okay. coming around the bend here. I don't want to get this iPhone 7 damaged by water. And there it is. It just refuses to stop raining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 palm trees and one in the foreground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It was a beautiful drive. Highway 1. I always wanted to do it. I've seen it in movies numerous times. And I wanted to see it for myself. So I guess it's just going to continue to rain for a while. If we do get a sunset, I'll take that and just add a part 2. If you want to know the coordinates of exactly where I am right now, it's 37 degrees west by northeast at 179.750 longitude. Latitude is 0.856709. And if you believe that, there's a bridge in Brooklyn I want to sell you. It's nice to hear the sound of rain though, huh? I don't mind the rain. The only time rain is bad is if you're getting married. Even games that get rained out, baseball games that get rained out, who really cares? So what, it rained. But the only time rain can be a problem is if on your wedding day. That's what my opinion. Otherwise, I don't care if it rains or not. I'm still going to eat. I'm still going to sleep. I'm still going to do what I normally do. Rain doesn't bother me. Although when I'm driving, I don't like it. I had to take my sister for her chemo shot Monday through Friday on Long Island, and it rained every day. Every day. So it does bother you when it rains. It just makes it that much more hazardous. There's some people still in the water over there. Can you see them? Looks like it's letting up now. Okay, just a short little video. I guess this would be called Key West Rain. Key West Rain. Key West Rain. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Get those 13 palm trees.